The next step will be configuring the AI video analysis on the camera. Please keep in mind that the AI video analysis will be processed by the camera. Therefore, we need to access the camera's web interface to do so. Now we are in the PBO 8800's web interface. Click Settings, expand the event option, and then choose VCA event. Now in this section, you can see that the camera provides several different AI event detections, including region entrance, region exiting, advanced motion detection, temper detection, line crossing, loitering, and object left removed. And in this case, we'll use region entrance for demonstration. Region entrance allows the users to define a region. When people or vehicle enter the predefined region, they will be detected and the user can configure the VMS to pop up the live view, trigger alarm outputs, or send email notification for the event. The camera allows the users to set up to 4 regions. You can draw the detection region by clicking on the live view window. So you can draw the detection region by clicking just like this. And after setting up the detection region, tick the checkbox for Enable Detection here. Then choose your detection object. You can choose to detect humans only or vehicles only, or detect both humans and vehicles. And then click Save.